an industry veteran, saying the situation could be quite serious unless addressed immediately. The auto companies do not keep enough stock, which can tide them over for periods without getting supplies from the ancillaries. Let's move now to one company which delivered excellent numbers a couple of days back, TTK Prestige. TT Jagannathan, Executive Chairman of TTK Prestige, is with us now. Mr. Jagannathan, morning. Thanks very much for joining in. Could you take us through how fast your pressure cookers business is growing and how fast the rest of the business, which is cookware or electrical appliances, those businesses are growing?
The market for pressure cookers is growing only by about 5%, but we are growing by about 15% in pressure cookers. Of course, the growth in appliances is much larger because the market is very much larger. We have very much smaller market shares, and we expect 30% growth in appliances.
Mr. Jagannathan, morning. How strong was festive season for you, and how good do you think Q3's numbers will be?
In fact, the festive season took us by surprise. It was that good. And we believe that Q3 will follow on Q2, will be as good.
Have you set out any internal targets for the full year in terms of sales in that case?
Yes, we have.
Would you like to share them with us?
Well, we expect the year to finish between 480 and 500 crores in terms of top line, and in terms of 55 to 56 crores in terms of PBT.
Your margins have also expanded, Mr. Jagannathan. How much of it is because of lower raw material prices and how much of it because of any efficiencies that you've been driving?
I would say it's half-half. Raw material prices have dropped significantly, and that has contributed to the margin. Also, our efficiencies have improved with the volume improvement.
What's the latest on the real estate development that you're doing in the 7 acres in Bangalore?
Well, we have a partner in our real estate business. We were going to build a mall, but that has been shelved right now because apparently the situation with malls is poor. So my partner has come up with a new idea that we will set up housing and offices, and we have applied to government for permission. This should come through the next 2 months.
You are working on new product lines as well, Mr. Jagannathan. By when do you hope for that to hit the market, and what might it entail by way of a cost for you?
We are launching 3 new product lines in the first quarter of the next year, that is January, February, March, and we're already prepared for it.
Good luck, Mr. Jagannathan. Thanks for joining in today. That's TTK Prestige. The stock is up 7.5% now, getting on to 8%. So has shot up in the last few minutes since we started speaking. Now up to 340. The market likes the results. To more results now. Tech Mahindra came in with results. The numbers were ahead of our estimates and street estimates as well. The stocks moved up about 1% this morning to 950. To talk to us about that and the future, Vineet Nair, Vice Chairman, Sanjay Kalra, CEO,